Here we have a Wheelock 1997 Wheelock NS fire alarm. This is my review of a, so I put that. Shut the door. There is a skull here. Stool. Here is a strobe. Fire lighters. There's a speaker. And then let's test it. 3. Yep, so it's good. Just test it out. Let's set the camera. I'm gonna set the camera right here. Apart here. I'll be right back. 3, 2. Yep, it's good. It's gonna be scary, guys. Oh, it's not all the way. Okay. Okay. Well, there you have it, guys. Okay. There's the reveal of the Simplex Wheelock NS. So that's enough for today. Okay. There you have it, guys. Okay. It worked, guys. Yep. It's gonna be. So I got the NAR fire alarm I have. It's just gonna be okay. It's gonna be loud, guys. It's just like a smoke detector right here. So I got my Simplex Wheelock NS. It's made in 1997. That's what I have. My collection. And I also have a 9806 horns, and I got one right here. That goes good with the 9806 and the Wheelock NS for Wyoming Elementary School that I have there. So that's going to be one of the others, sir. It seems a little different. I got my wires, and I got the wall fire alarm. Okay. So there we have, guys. That'll be it for. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Stay comments. Peace out.